Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the triangular formula and how to use it. Let's see how the triangular formula works. You put a 1 here. After you put a 1 on the side, a 2 and a 1. A 1, you add 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And you put a 1. You still continue 1. 1 plus 3. This one gives you a 4. 3 plus 3 is a 6. 3 plus 1 is a 4. And this is a 1. You can still continue. This is 1. 4 plus 1, this is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is 1. This is how the triangular formula works. So in the triangular formula, actually, it's used for numbers like squaring, to the power 3, to the power 4, to the power 5, up to the power infinity. It still continues. So when you look, when you're expanding to the power 2, like for example, this number with to the power 2, you use this to the power 2. This one will be to the power 3. This one will be to the power 4. And this one will be to the power 5. If you continue power 6, power 7. So let's see how we can actually use the triangular formula to expand this. If we say a plus b squared, how do you expand this using this formula? So you start where there is 1, you put a, so that will be a to the highest power, which is 2. Are you together? So when we go to the next one, as this power is losing, the power of b is actually gaining. So you start plus. Here we have 2, so you first write 2. This one is to the power 2, so it comes now to the power 1. And then b comes in. Then you continue to the next one now, which has 1, so it will be b. b gains, this one loses, becomes to the power 0. This one becomes to the power, from the power 1 to the power 2. Let's try out another number here. We have a minus b cubed to the power 3. So that means for this, we shall use this of the power 3. So you can see the first one there. We have that is a, so it will start with a to the power 3 with the 1. We go to the next one, so it will be 3. This one now will be a to the power 2. It has reduced to 2, and then b comes in. Next we have 3. This will be 3. This is now a reduces to the power 1 and b gains to the power 2. Then the last one is a 1, so it will be b to the power 3. But if we have a negative here, the first one will be a positive, the next one a negative. Next one a positive, the next one a negative. That's how, in case you have a negative, it actually works out. Let's go to our next one, which is actually our last one, which is our second last one. We have this minus 2b to the power 4. Remember, to the power 4, we are going to use this. So we start with the first one. It is a to the power 4. Are we together? Then the next one will be 4, because there is a 4 there. 4. Now a reduces to the power 3. And here times now the b here, which is 2b. Are we together? Then the next one is 6. It will be now 6. Are we together? A, this is to the power 3, now it becomes to the power 2, times now this 2b actually now gains and becomes to the power 2. Don't square only the b, square the 2b. Then as we continue now, there is 4. This becomes now 4. A reduces now to 1, and this one gains to the power 3. Then the last one will be 2b, because it's a 1 there. It will be 2b to the power 4. And remember the signs, we said if it's a negative, the first one is a positive, next one a negative. This is a positive, next one a negative, and this is a positive. But if it's a positive, they all be positives. So when we continue, this a to the power 4 minus 2 times 4 is 8, a to the power 3, b plus, when you open this bracket, this 2 squared will actually be 4. So it will be 4 times 6, which is actually 24, a squared b squared minus, when you continue here, this is 4a to b. So when you open this, no, this is supposed to be b, sorry, because it's 2b. So this is supposed to be 2 to the power 3, which is 8. 8 times 4, which gives you 32 a b cubed. Are we together? Then plus 2 to the power 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. Then times another 2, 8. 8 times 2 will be now 16, so it will be 16b to the power 4. That's its expanded form. Then lastly, let's look at a number. It's a scenario like this. We still do the same. Remember, we shall use the one of 2. 1, 2, 1. So the first one will be 2a squared. Are we together? Now this one, remember I said if the first one is a plus, the next one is a minus. Minus here, this becomes 2 into 2a, not so. Now times, because this one reduces to 2, and the one for b comes in, which is 3b. Are we together? Then the next one will be a plus. This one actually goes away and remain 3b squared. So this will actually give us 4a squared minus, this is 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. It will be 12ab, and plus 3 squared is 9b squared. Thank you very much. You can put in your comments below whether you found the video useful and any suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.